today I thought we'd take a walk through the garden just to see how spring is progressing. And of course, Quest is here to help. One of my favourite spring combinations is GM Rustica Orange and Campanula Mystic Bells. They both flower for weeks and weeks and weeks, right through spring and into early summer. It's marvellous these new GMs are repeat flowering. And of course Mystic Bells just goes on and on as this fabulous picking. So another early spring flowering plant is the very new and very large Armeria brutus. Such long stems, way bigger than your ordinary Armeria, and pure white. Now this Armeria flowers all spring and most of summer, and of course is fabulous picking as well. Puccarellas are another of my favourite plants. They're so strong and robust, and they just love a light shaded position with a bit of moisture and not too heavy soil. The first of my clematis have just started coming out. We've got over 40 of clematis in the garden, all climbing up a little tripod and then up a tree or scrambling over a rose. They like their feet in the cool and they like to grow towards the sun. The Viburnums have started to come out in flower, and there's so many to choose from. Some are fragrant, some are not, but they're all divine. The first of my wisterias are out. This gorgeous purple one is just one of many in the garden. We have purple, we have white, short and long racemes, and some pretty pink ones as well. This is Lavender Manger, one of the first lavenders to flower, and it's a real stalwart of the garden. Just needs a really hot, dry spot to thrive. This is one of my favourite plants. It's a perennial type of forget-me-not called a brunnera. Flowers for ages in spring and into summer with these beautiful silvery heart-shaped leaves. There are many varieties available now. And one of the real joys of spring, just for a fleeting moment, Deciduous Azaleas. They're fabulous at lighting up in any shady area you might have. One of my favourite Clematis montanus. This one is called Marjorie. Of course there's lots of others, but I really love the greeny, pinky colours of this, and it's absolutely amazing picked. This is one of my favourite Federation's daisies. It was new a few years ago and it's called Coral, and it has flowered and flowered and flowered. I had to find room for it in the vegetable patch.